In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page on GoDaddy Website Builder. If you're sharing content that's meant for clients, students, or a private community, GoDaddy lets you lock down a page so only approved visitors can view it. Instead of a single shared password, GoDaddy uses member access, which is more secure and easier to manage. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your Website Builder editor. You'll be working directly in the site editor, so make sure you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. Once you're in, navigate to the page you want to protect. Keep in mind, the homepage can't be set to private, so choose any other page. If your homepage has sensitive information, move that content to another page, then protect that page instead. With the page selected, open its settings by clicking the gear icon. In the settings panel, look for the option labeled Private Page and turn it on. This tells GoDaddy that the page should only be visible to people who are signed in and approved. Quick note while we're here. If you still need the website builder, I've put a link at the very top of the description so you can get to the correct GoDaddy page quickly. Next, manage who gets access. Go to your dashboard, then open Customers and choose Settings. Enable member accounts. This lets people sign in on your site. From there, add specific contacts or members who are allowed to view the private page. Only those you add will be able to log in and see it. This approach eliminates the hassle of sharing and changing a universal password, and it's easier to remove access for a single person without affecting everyone else. When you've set the page to private and configured member access, publish your site so the changes go live. After publishing, test in a private or incognito window to confirm the page is hidden to non-members, and then sign in as one of your approved members to make sure access works as expected. A few important notes before we wrap up. There isn't a simple password field for a page in GoDaddy Website Builder. Access is controlled by inviting specific members. The homepage cannot be made private. And if you need broader site-wide protection, like a firewall or malware scanning, that's a different service under GoDaddy's website security bundles, which is separate from page privacy. That's it for securing a page in GoDaddy Website Builder. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and check the link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.